Life. I was importing jewelry components from the East, traveling to China, backwards and forwards every 3 weeks, buying stock, just trying to be an entrepreneur. I was in my 30s, started when I was 27. I've never had a job. I've always been an entrepreneur. I was actually a flea market success story. I traded at the flea markets. I was trading in Hillbrow, in Twist and Kotzai, as a hawker. My old man said, and was a hawker and then opened about 12 flea markets and was at 12 flea market stalls with my goods I was manufacturing, and I was supplying Studdefits, Eckers, Bushinis and Jet with my jewelry. And the Chinese came into the country, and within 6 months I had lost my business. I was insolvent. But it was a combination of mindset as well as the situation that caused the demise of my company.
Purchase your track today.
I get rich doing what I love.
I get rich doing what I love.
I deserve to be rich. I add value to other people's lives.
I deserve to be rich. I add value to other people's lives.
I'm a generous giver and an excellent receiver. Please open your hands. I'm a generous giver and an excellent receiver. I'm truly grateful for all the money I have now.
I'm truly grateful for all the money I have now.
Lucrative opportunities always come my way.
Lucrative opportunities always come my way.
My capacity to earn, hold and grow money expands day by day.
My capacity to earn, hold and grow money expands day by day.
I have a millionaire mind.
I have a millionaire mind. High five.
How do you feel?
I want to ask a question. So within 24 hours, you can change your life by being positive.
100%.
What if, well, I'm not finished. What if you're in a house full of other negative people that will not get, you need to change your way?
Move out.
No, I'm not telling my husband that.
What would be?
I'm going to teach you how to do it.
Okay,
Who wants to learn how to change your mindset in 24 hours? Groovy. Okay, so the brain doesn't know and understand what is real and what is not real. So when you connect your heart and you envisage it in your mind, you can then start creating a new life.
Dotted line on the 8 EMA. So I'm using the Android. I was also facing the same thing. Should I go with changing the colors only so that I differentiate my...
In the video when you clicked on the, I can't exactly remember the name now, I'm going blank, but it took you to a screen where you had to choose the color. The difference is on the Android, what I saw was, there's a little box at the bottom, it looks like it changes the color of the entire line, but it's only for that specific thing you add.
So there's a level.
Yes.
You need to click. It's the level first or something. I think the initial color needs to be white on the Android, and then the level needs to be red. It's the opposite.
yeah, something like that.
So what they need to do is the outside one, which is red, needs to be 4 pixels, and then change the white one to 2 pixels. Otherwise, the two colors goes on
They
top
go on top of each other.
top. You need to make the one 2 pixels.
That makes sense.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. There's the hack.
Why do you look at the 4-hour chart as opposed to looking at maybe a 1-hour chart or 30-minute chart?
I like to look at a 4-hour chart because It gives me a bigger picture of what's going on in the day.
Trading is never a game, but it is a game of probabilities. And what our goal is to do is to increase that percentage in our favor. That's why Alan's strategy, and he's quite upfront with it, it's an 80%, 85% probability. And that's the consistency that we need in trading to make us profitable, is to have that probability increase in our favor. And I'll get into that a little bit more just now when we speak about retail versus institutional.
Oh, that's so exciting. This is so exciting!
15-minute chart, you refer back to the 4-hour check trend.
Yes.
If you're trading a 4-hour, which would you check trend on a daily chart?
Oh, yeah, you check it on a daily chart, but I don't. I'm trading on a 4-hour chart, that's it. The
So
second
you
candle's
take ups
open.
and ups come and downs when downs come.
Yeah,
On the 4 hour.
yes.
Okay, and then just a second question.
Sure.
The chart that you have up there, which I've seen before in your presentations, you see there are a lot of dojis that happens shortly after your entry.
Yes, so you close the trade.
You close it there.
100%.
And then will you then reopen it after the second one opens?
No, I would open it
Wait for it to trade.
as it goes above the wick
Yes.
of the doji.
Yeah.
I open the trade, or if it goes sideways and consolidates,
Yeah.
I wait for it to break the fractal.
Okay.
You know the Bill Williams fractal?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what this strategy. So cool.
Right, okay, that on.
That's science. They take this money and they flip and trade with it. Where do they trade?
I can't confirm or deny anything at this time. No, they do. That's the whole fractional reserve scenario. So they take the $1, they trade with it, but then they lend it out 17 times, and then they charge you interest on that. And we'll talk about that later.
Cool, thank you.
Thanks for that, Al.
Okay.
Now, if you put for example, a trial stop,
A what?
a trial stop.
A trading stop.
Yes. Let's say you put that just for argument's sake, you're not getting out of that trade that you put open there.
That's a good strategy. I like it a lot.
But you bring a trading stop in, just in case it flunks again.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you know what have you ever heard of a gap down? Have you ever heard of a gap down?
No.
Okay, cool. This is why I don't use a stop loss and a take profit. It's a newbie, novice, retail trader mistake. You got to think like a bank. You got to be the bank. You got to be sitting there scheming, I'm a bank trader. Have the mindset of a bank trader.
So I'm happy that this is the culture that we're using, because in a previous business, we were almost forced to show off lifestyle in order to attract clients. So, I mean, I took over 60 vacations, small and big, international and local. And you had to
In what time frame?
It was in a period of between 8 and 10 years, definitely less than 10 years. So, but what happens there is you attract the wrong people. Rather, we now want to attract people that have reasoning, not people who use hype. That's why you see our testimonials could be made perfected, but we don't follow that anymore. We say, no, say your testimonial the way you want. Why? Because we don't want to attract people that come for hype because they see a hired Ferrari outside, and then they also want the hired, they go and buy a Ferrari and get themselves in trouble. We were forced to buy BMW, to show off, and then we ended up with debts that are that high, and it was also a financially stupid move. That's why we're good. But now I've learned a lot from him, and I'm still learning. So thank you for not taking the show off culture, because you know what happened to us. So show off brings arrogance, and with arrogance, crash.
Arrogance precedes the fall. What's your? Are you ready?
Go for it.
What's your name?
I'm Gideon Rudolph.
Gideon Rudolph.
Yeah,
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Amazing, amazing.
My father last night, or I think yesterday, told me that he found a seminar and they would like me to go. It's about forex trade, and we showed up. I was expecting strategies, and it kind of turned into this mental health thing, and it's really been interesting. A lot to gain, a lot of information to learn, and honestly, I would really recommend it. I really appreciate it. And yeah, 5-star review. It's
5-star
really
review.
good.
My man, thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Enjoy. The best is still to come.
Thank you. Thank you.
How's it? What's your name?
I'm from Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you, and I'm excited to be here. And the most important thing I learned about the seminar was the trading psychology behind it. You know, when he teaches you about the mindset, he really makes sure that you really understand how the mind functions and how you're going to do, and make sure that you put your actions into reality. So, but further the most, we're still learning more. We're still going to go to part 2 to learn more about forex trading and auto system. So I'm really excited.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Did you learn a lot?
I learned a lot, and from today, my life is going to be different.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Awesome. The best is still to come.
Thank you.
Great. You wanted to give us an opinion? I love your ink. Thank you. Awesome. Not many people know what it is.
Yeah, well, that is why I'm here, just to show that.
So what's your name?
My name is Cabello, with my partner here.
Awesome.
So I love what I love the most about what we just heard is the psychology, the way you are bringing it. I mean, we are halfway through the session, but now we are dealing with the mind first before we go to technical. I've been in the industry for over 9 years. And I only made money for the past 3 years. So I think with the way you teach, and most people, especially in South Africa, they don't give us the way you are giving it. It's not about the lifestyle, it's not about the psychology, it's about the skill, and that is the most important thing.
You learned a lot.
A lot. And
You excited?
I'm so excited for part 2.
Cool. You want to come give a testimonial?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Do you want to ask me some questions?
Dude, I just want your honest opinion. You're a trader. You've got the pot.
Yes, I do.
Are you hedged?
Yes, I am.
Are you getting out of your hedge?
Yes, I am.
Right. So, what's your name?
Dazzler.
Dazzler. Are you enjoying my EA?
I am.
Are you enjoying the groups?
I am.
What can you say about the groups?
I think the groups teach you the real school of life when it comes to trading. There's practical examples in it, practical scenarios that make you think and apply it to your situation.
And do you find that it's a mastermind where you're in a group of like-minded individuals where you can ask questions and you get good answers?
Absolutely. You can ask questions. You don't need to feel stupid on your experience and your skill level. You can ask questions and people will help you out as long as you are willing to actually
Ask the question, 100%.
before you come ask questions.
Are you making money?
Yes, I am.
Give me five. Awesome. Thank you. Thanks, Daz. Who else wants to do a testimonial? Come. Hello. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Rachel. I'm age 38 and I'm still a novice trader.
And did you learn anything today?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Very good and confident about myself.
That's the most important part, because most people aren't confident about their part. Look at you, you look amazing.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so what did you learn today?
I've learned how to speak, what do I call it, how to speak positive to yourself and to your life.
Okay, and you think that's going to influence your trading?
It has already does.
So has the seminar been worthwhile so far?
Yes.
Would you recommend it?
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks for coming. So what, your name?
Good morning, I'm Jasper. Jasper Nestays from South Africa, Johannesburg. I've been not into trading. I ventured into trading.
Which one?
Doing some online courses. Invested in foreign courses as well, foreign training. But I can honest to God recommend Alan Solarsh. Meeting the man, following the material, and literally it's all coming together. Joining the live workshop presented. He's got out of his way, and as a matter of fact, so far, making sacrifice for today, and it's absolutely worth it so far. Just from quickly talking to the man, looking and listening to what you have, what you are, and who you are, it's absolutely worth it.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Namaste.
Cool.
Hi everybody. I'm so excited to be here. It was a very big decision to make because I wanted to get everybody here from my family and I wanted everybody excited about this. My husband and I have been doing Forex trading for many years and we want to experience a whole different mindset. And we have already this morning has been so excited. Thank you so much, Alan, for obviously having this event. And I'm excited.
Have you learned anything?
I learned. There's a lot of still doubt in me with regards to don't and know. But learning from this morning, it means everything to me to want.
Has your mind opened a bit?
Yes, it has. It has. Yes, definitely.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, Alan.
The best is still to come.
Yay!
Good day, everyone. My name is Rachel Sifuraro. I'm age 38, a businesswoman. Recently, I had a partner, which is John Stanley. We decided to join Mr. Alan's robot. And then I would say we're a bit lucky, or I think our stars were good on the week we joined. We managed to make approximately 30% within the first 3 weeks of joining it, of our initial balance. So what I can say now, I can say whoever wish to change their life through trading, they can join Mr. Alan's robot, of which to me, according to me and my experience, we've made more than what we can make out there. So I encourage everyone to come and learn. Thank you.